So this won't come as a newsflash to anyone, but cash flow around Denver and a lot of parts of Colorado are getting harder and harder to find in rental properties. For the last couple of years, we've had lots of clients turn to short-term rentals and medium-term rentals to get better cash flow, taking some properties from no cash flow or low cash flow to a positive cash flow in the hundreds and sometimes thousands of dollars a month. However, there's a steep learning curve to running short-term rentals if you do it yourself. So I'm happy to present a brand new course that'll teach you every step you need to know step by step in running an Airbnb, aka short-term rental, or a medium-term rental. Now, why a course? This all goes back to the podcast we launched last week about the rebrand with REICO, REICO. This is a new branding name we're giving to our educational platform, the podcasts, the websites. It's to give you the knowledge and the network to go out there and invest successfully here in Denver and now all through Colorado as our markets expanded and Envision Advisors expanded. We want to give you lots of resources in different markets and different niches. And the course format is the best way to deliver this detailed operational format. We simply can't do it over a podcast or a couple of blog articles. So we created this course to go through all the details. Now, I am not an expert in short-term rentals, but I know people who are. So our course instructor is Envision Advisors' own Ben Einspahr. Now, Ben has been producing a lot of content around house hacking and short-term rentals for the last couple of years because that's his passion, and he's a perfect guy to come teach and create this course. Why? Well, because he's run short-term rentals, he's run medium-term rentals. He's done it while he's lived in the property as a house hack, and he's done it while he's moved out of the property as a landlord. So he knows all the ins and outs. And another reason Ben is so perfect for this course is he's an operations guy. That's how his mind works. Operations, operations, operations. So we downloaded his brain into this course, basically. So, in a nutshell, you're going to learn all the items, all the details that you need to go out there and successfully operate an Airbnb or medium-term rental. But I'm not going to just give you 20 bullet points on those because here's the bottom line, is that Ben, through 3 house hacks and ran a couple Airbnbs and medium-term rentals, he's been able to change the trajectory of his financial future and his career. As he and his wife have started a young family now, she's been able to scale back, and Ben's been able to transition out of his career, his W-2 career, which, like a lot of people, paid the bills, was in love with it, and now he's been able to change his careers to pursue more real estate investing and working at the Envision Advisors. So that's what matters. We're all investing in real estate for a benefit, for a change in our lives or change in our family's lives. And that's what this has done for Ben. So we've kept that in mind and taken all the stuff he's done to not only, make it profitable, make it cash flow, but also give you all the details so it's automated as much as possible so you can actually enjoy the cash flow as well. And just all those tidbits you need as you go out there and run the property. Plus, he has his toolkit in there, which is a bunch of spreadsheets, a furnishing cost calculator, restocking checklist. Again, all the items, all the details you need to go out there and successfully run an Airbnb. Now, the bottom line of this course, the goal of this course is to give you the operational knowledge so you can go out there and run a short-term rental or a medium-term rental in either a house you're house hacking and living in or a house that you own as a landlord rental property. And the course gives you all those details. It's done through Teachable, which is a popular course format. It's a bunch of video modules broken down as short bite-sized segments for each topics. And it has all the toolkits, all the spreadsheets to download there, and it's all just synced up there for you. But here's where I think it gets very powerful, is that everyone that goes through this course gets a one-on-one phone call with Ben. The idea is after you go through the course, you always learn stuff, but you always have a few questions. No course is perfect for every single detail, but it gets you 95% there. That call with Ben gets you the rest of the 5-10% that you need to help you implement the strategies in your property. Because after all, this is real estate, and no house No Airbnb is exactly the same. So there's maybe some questions or roadblocks you hit in your situation, and that's what the call with Ben is all about, is to help solve that problem. So go to the link in the show notes, all the details there on the course, all the bullet points, all the stuff you get on there. We are selling the course at $299. Now, since this is a brand new course and we are launching it, we are doing a launch special to take $100 off. Use the code STR100, that's short-term rental, STR100. That'll take $100 off the course there. Now, if you're an Envision Advisors client, we're going to give the course to you for free. And this is for past clients, existing clients, and future clients. Because one of our goals here between Envision Advisors and Rico is always to provide tremendous value. And one of the things we've run into at the Envision Advisors is, we provide a lot of resources and content and knowledge for our guests, like the stuff Ben Einspahr is doing right now. But we have a lot of investors reach out to us who are, not working with Envision Advisors, but want the content. And we want to see people succeed. We want to see people teach. But at the end of the day, we also need to be compensated for our expertise and our time and the resources on there. And so this course format is a great way to do it. So if you want the knowledge that Ben has used to go out there and run his properties, great, go buy the course. Now, if you're an Envision Advisors client, we will give you a coupon code. You get it for free. We should be reaching out to you soon. If not, reach out to us. Now, again, go to the link in the website. Go to the link in the show notes, and that'll take you to the website, which is also a sneak peek of our new website that's coming out in the very near future. Go there for all the details. You can buy the course. Any questions, concern on there, reach out to me, reach out to Ben. And if for some reason you buy the course and it just doesn't work for you, we will refund your money. We want to provide value. If it does not deliver value, you have a 100% money back guarantee. So any questions, reach out to us. Otherwise, go to the link in the show notes, go grab the course and enjoy.